welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. If you're new here, my name's Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible. I am doing Vlogmas, the business edition. So these are just kind of one take chatty vlogs where I'm just trying to share value and give some information. And also, just participate in this great thing on YouTube. Okay, so today I want to talk about you from 3 years from now. Just take a second. Think about where you'd like to be in 3 years. I know where I would like to be. I have, a business goal in mind in those 3 years. I know the mother I want to be in those 3 years and the wife I want to be and the things I want to do. To become the wife, business owner, and mother that I want to be 3 years from now is going to take intentional effort. I have to think about now what I want to do so that I can have those things, what habits I need to have, what things I need to work on. Because here's the thing, I'm not going to wake up in 3 years and magically be this person that I want to be, this person that's better than I am now, who's a better wife, who's a better mother, who's a better business owner. You don't get better without intentionally taking steps towards it, right? It's just like you don't get more in shape without working out or making some sort of effort to get healthy. You don't get a better business by not setting goals and taking action. You don't become a better mother without taking intentional effort to grow the things in you to become the better woman that can be the better mother. And so I just want to leave these thoughts with you because I want you to take a few minutes and think about who you want to be in 3 years and what steps do you need to take today. All right. Now, I know this is pretty simple. I hope you will subscribe to this channel if you like real information that helps you grow your business, and like this video if you like Vlogmas, the business edition. All right. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.